Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion. Today's video, I thought I would unbox a wig that I got from LuvMe Hair. This will probably be like my 5th or 6th unit from them. Out of all of the brands that I've purchased wigs from, for some reason, LuvMe Hair has been like the top tier, most, I would say, #1 brand in regards to brands, well, in regards to wigs, where I haven't had any issues. So I figured that I would just unbox the wig and, you know, install it, because I am not a hairstylist. I am a, you know, novice or amateur with this, but I do install my own wigs. But before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. So the unit that I have is the Body Wave 5x5 undetectable invisible lace glueless closure, and I have it in 22 inches. Now for me, closure wigs are like the easiest, and so this is the package. Then I got this. I'm not even sure what this is. So first, let me just unbox the wig. I don't think it said that I would get like a free gift, but who knows. So this is what the box looks like. It's definitely a little bit more popular. It's a little bit more bougie, if you ask me. I like this box. I like the shimmer and the glitter in it, so I'm going to keep it. And most of their standard units are like a 1B natural type of hair, and I think this is supposed to be pre-plucked. Oh, it already have curls in it. This is a first, because the other ones I did not have curls in it. So this is what the invisible lace looks like. When it comes to the knots, they're okay. If you really want to do a little bit more bleaching, you can, but I'm not going to do that because I tend to over bleach the knots, and that is a pain in the ass trying to correct that each time you put on the unit. It has this back part, which I am going to cut. I love the fact that it comes with an elastic band, and it does have these parts back here as well. What else does it come with? Shit, nothing. It's just this. Okay, well, let's see what's in this box, because normally it comes with, like, you know, a comb or a hairband or something. Or so purple box that says LuvMe Hair, and I guess maybe it's the accessories. It is a hot comb. I did need another hot comb, but this is what it looks like. I wasn't expecting this. A LuvMe affordable luxury wig hot comb. Oh, so my bad. I have another package inside the package. So let's see what this is. Wig cap. Okay, this is what I was thinking or expecting. And then satin head cap. I wasn't expecting this either. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, yeah, it fits good on my head. So hairband, wig band, elastic band, and brush and comb duo. So we can get to installing the wig. Now my hair is already in a ponytail. I don't braid it down or anything because I take my wigs off every night. I cannot rock a wig every day. Or, well, I can rock it every day. I just can't keep it in or on my head when I sleep. It's just a no-go for me. So the ability to be able to remove and put the unit back on every day is a plus for me. It's pre-plucked, but I could actually pluck it some more. If you see what I'm saying, you can still see like the knots. But since I'm gonna wear it with the middle part, it's pretty cool. These curls are too like curly for me, so or defined, so I definitely would have to brush these out. But so far so good. This hair feels amazing. No shedding, and it's 22 inches, so you can see what 22 inches look like, hopefully. The wig is kind of too big for my head. I wish I could have chosen a smaller cap size, but once I put the other, like the wig grip on, it'll grip it pretty good, but I don't have a new one, so that's why I didn't put it on here. So let's just get to it because I'm doing a lot of rambling. So right now I am brushing out the curls because they are just too curly, but you know, they bounce back. I could layer this hair if I want to, but I'm gonna leave it as is for now because I don't want to mess it up. But I definitely plan on layering it. There is some shedding, but this brush is kind of rough too. So, and then it's a mixture of an old unit, but this is about as much shedding as I got thus far. And that's normal for people to say they want a unit that don't shed. A little is going to happen. So I'm gonna leave the headband on for a little bit to let the lace dry down and melt, you know, to the skin. Then I'll be back. I feel like this look is a little bland and that I do need to add some type of layers to it. Maybe, possibly. Yeah, I need to layer it a little bit. And see what that do. As you can see, it's added a little bit more. Yes. I feel like I can go in just a little bit more. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is, you know, final look. Hair is installed. I used a little concealer to kind of hide the knots in the part to make it look a little bit more natural. The hair feels so good. It's easy to run my fingers through. It's not tangling up. It curled very well. So no complaints thus far. I'm standing on my tippy toes so you can see what the hair looks like in its totality. This is the back of the hair. Like I said, it's 22 inches. It's 180 density, so one day I'm gonna try 200 just to see the difference in thickness, but so far so good. The only drawback about this wig is it's too big for my head. Definitely too big. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.